Do you want to read voice messages on WhatsApp? You can easily transcribe any audio message into text in just a few simple steps, no need to listen at all. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp application. After that, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. After that, here you tap on chats. Then just turn on the settings, voice message transcripts. After that, tap on choose language. Now here, you select a language in which you want to read the voice message into text. Once you select it, then tap on set up now from here. Now WhatsApp will download a transcription file which is around 136 MB. This file is needed to enable the voice to text feature. Once it's downloaded, your WhatsApp will be ready to transcribe voice messages into text. Now back to the chat list and open the chat with the person whose voice message you want to read. Then here you long press the voice message which you want to transcribe. After that, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on transcribe. Now WhatsApp will convert the voice message into text and you can easily read what the person said in the voice message. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.